System Setup of Broadcast. How to use the broadcast feature to send emails to one or multiple users. Step 1. Access System Setup. To use the broadcast feature, go to the main navigation menu and click on System Setup. Step 2. Select Broadcast. Once you're in System Setup, select Broadcast from the menu. Step 3. Fill in email details. In the broadcast page, you will see several fields to fill in. Email from. Enter the email address that will appear in the From field of the email. Select Recipients. Choose whether you want to send the email to one user or multiple users. Email Subject. Enter the subject line of the email. Email subject and body text. Type the content of the email. Note that you should not replace any variables between. Step 4. Send mail. After you have filled in all the necessary fields, click on the Send Mail button to submit the email. Congratulations! You have successfully sent an email to one or multiple users using the broadcast feature in IT-LAN CRM. Thanks for using IT-LAN CRM. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlans.com.